Hi, I'm so happy you're here to read with me today. We're going to read two books together. All right. Our first one you'll see right here is Kit's Hats, and our second book is called Kit's Cats. And maybe you read the other books with me before with Kit. Okay. And don't forget, I always start by letting you read first, and I like to listen. And then the next thing is we'll read together. Okay. It's always good to practice reading our books 2 or 3 times. So let's take a look at this book. Can you say with me, Kit's Hats? And before we start reading, I want you to look at my arrow and notice that this word that's at the end is a little bit darker. That's telling us to notice it, and that's because it's going to make the zzz sound. Okay. So let's just say this word, and then I'm going to listen to you read. So, as, has. Okay. Ready? All right, here we go. Great job. Let's read it together. Kit has hats. Don't forget, this is has. That letter at the end goes z. All right, I'm going to listen. Great job. Let's read together. Kit has big hats. All right. Nice job. Let's read it together. Kit has flat hats. All right, I'm going to listen to you read. All right, let's read together. Kit has fun hats. Very nice. Let's take a look at our second book, Kit's Cats. So we have that same word in here, has, okay? Where that letter at the end is not making the sound, it's going zzz. All right, I'm going to listen to you read. Great job. Let's read together. Kit has cats. How many cats does she have? Yes, very good. She has 3. All right, I'm going to listen. Sorry. Nice work. Kit's cats run fast. All right, I'm going to listen. Very good. Let's read together. Kit's cats lap up milk. What does lap up mean? Or what do you think it means if it's about milk? Yes, they drink it, right? But lapping is something that like cats and dogs do, like that. Yeah. See? Just like that. All right, this is a long sentence, but you can do it. We've read a lot of these words before. Okay, I'm going to listen. Great job. Let's read it together. Kit's cats jump up on Kit's bed. There they are on her bed. Very nice. So before we go, I have some questions for you about our story. What do Kit's cats do? Do you remember? Very good. Yes. And if you forget, it's always good to look back at our pictures. So we know that Kit's cats, just like you said, they lap up milk or drink milk. They can also run fast. And we also learned at the end that they like to, yep, you got it, jump up on Kit's bed. Awesome job reading today. You did such a great job. I'm so proud of you. Can you give me an air high five? Whoosh. Awesome. Tell yourself, I did a good job today. I'm a great reader. Yes, you are. And I can't wait to see you later for some more books. Bye. See you next time.